was really interested in your thoughts on the market is kind of weird right now. Like interest rates have gone up quite a bit. So if you're leveraging real estate, that's more painful. And then also prices with certain types of real estate is still kind of staying high, but commercial real estate's really weird too. So I'm just curious of like your
It's
thoughts.
definitely a weird time, very stressful time. So I just like to look at it and say, this is a very hard time, but I'm going to be able to say in 5 years, yeah, I survived 2021, 2022, or whatever it's the interest rate recession or whatever we're going to call it, inflation driven recession.
Right.
But yeah, I think that the market is definitely strange with the high interest rates. Buyers aren't able to pay as much as sellers want. So if they're not needing to sell, they're not. So there's not a lot of inventory. Now, there are a lot of loans that are going to come due this year and next year. And if the interest rates stay this high, it's going to cause a lot of distress within the sellers. And then the cap rates are going to go up and the prices are going to go down and people are going to, it's going to be a great buying opportunity. So we are right now actively looking for distressed sellers. We really want to find people that have to sell their properties, and whether it's the loan or they can't handle the mortgage payment anymore, or whatever it is, that's when opportunity starts calling. And it's times like this. So it's strange, it's stressful, but it's also opportunity.
Yeah, real estate is a long play. It's not a get rich quick. And when you're in it for the long game and when you become educated, you start to like see these sorts of opportunities, or it's easier to spot these sorts of opportunities. It's like anything when you're in it a lot. And like I enjoy looking at real estate, and it's just like it feels less desirable to want to invest in real estate today. But I think if you're serious about it, I don't think that should stop you necessarily from like investing in real estate, especially if you're dipping your toe in the water. I think especially when you're early in on it, like the biggest thing is like trying it and getting started in some capacity. So once you start doing it, then you gain the experience. The experience is key, because once you've had a long period of experience, that's when you can really do some damage with this. But I like your perspective with that. And it sounds like you're doing things the right way, and it's always refreshing to see. And you've got a lot of good educational resources, which is super helpful.